You see this? You see this gorgeous lady, absolutely gorgeous, stunning woman over here. Yo, can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Okay. Now, this is her birthday today.
Oh!
Oh yes!
Wow!
Yes. So will you come over here and help? Yes, I'll handle that. Wow! It is her 94th birthday. Is that correct? ये बर्थडे रोहेल ने ऑर्गेनाइज की है एंड इस मैम की 94th बर्थडे है मैम मारी एंड ये पूरा स्पॉन्सर जो किया है मिस्टर रोहेल ने किया हुआ है। वेरी नाइस रोहेल, हाउ डू यू फील, क्या ख्यालात हैं आपके?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इनके बीच में बैठ के, इनके साथ इनकी मतलब खुशियों में शरीक होकर। और हम इंशाल्लाह पहली दफ़ा मतलब इस तरह का फ़ील हुआ है कि इन लोगों का भी मतलब कोई मतलब इनको भी मौका मिलना चाहिए इस तरह का, क्योंकि हम लोग तो अपनी करते रहते हैं सेलिब्रेट वगैरह।
So that is good, very good. Now let's go to the fun part. Let's go over there.
To my second trip to hospice, when I was meeting a lot of patients, I came across this very old lady who was in need of money. She was demanding money, and the reason was she was very hesitant talking to the rest. So I actually had to hush you guys to a side and talk to her, just like quietly to a side.
अच्छा, हम आपको क्या आपको पैसे का खरीदना क्या क्या है?
She wants to buy something for herself
Yeah, she
from
wants.
the money she gathered.
She said she wanted earrings and like lipstick and accessories, women accessories from that.
And what she basically wants, the best thing I found about her, the good part was that being so old, still she was demanding for stuff like as simple as a lipstick and an earring, which is very it's a very girly thing. But being so old, she was young at heart.
Well, as you can see, I'm wearing wireless headphones courtesy of Brass and Bronze Entertainment, brought to us by our very own Muhammad Ali Beg, who has been a backbone to this project, Aspire with Care, of which I'm holding the rough draft, the case study. Aspire with Care is particularly special to me because it's been over a year now, comfortably about a year and a half since I've been teaching students at Bahia University. And what makes this special is that these are bachelor's level students that helped raise almost 500,000, in fact more than 500,000 rupees worth of donations and aid in kind for the St. Joseph's Hospice, housing about 60 odd patients, which equates to about helping 3 odd patients for the entire year. If you were to look at the kind of contribution that these people have made, they've taken cupboards, sewing machines, bandages, bed sheets, wheat, grains, sugar, tea, biscuits, you name it, they took it there. It was actually quite mind-boggling and astounding to me when I first saw an entire cabinet coming in on a Suzuki. And then बोरी के बाद बोरी आई चली जा रही है आटे की चीनी की. And quite honestly शुरू में हमने ये decide किया था कि we were going to go with 4 trips of donations. By the second trips the student had already overachieved their targets. जिनको मैंने समझा था कि these were stretch targets. But Alhamdulillah, God gave them the inspiration to come forward on this project and deliver and deliver beyond my expectations.
But I mean, we don't worry about where the money comes from or how it comes. I mean, that can be wrong to say that, but I think you will understand what I mean. What we have to do is our work. We get on with our work, and the donations do come. Because I think each one of you know there is somebody less fortunate than yourselves, and everybody reaches out to that person in whatever way you can.
How has this been a positive change for the hospice? Well, obviously, apart from the material aspect of the donations that these students have been able to make for the hospice, the interaction that they've had with the patients, these are deprived people, these are ostracized, and ये वो लोग हैं जिनको बिल्कुल society से काट के अलग एक खुद में बंद किया हुआ है. और इन लोगों को जब ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली कि इतने यंग वाइब्रेंट बच्चे इनके पास आए, इनके साथ मुस्कुरा के बातें करनी शुरू की और इनके साथ इंटरैक्ट करके इनके चेहरों पर मुस्कुराहटें डाली, कोई उनके साथ कैरम बोर्ड खेल रहा है, कोई चूड़ियाँ पहना रहा है, कोई उनको नवाला मुंह में डाल के खाना खिला रहा है, तो it brought back memories and it really was quite overwhelming for them and quite an experience of change for the patients, the residents over there as well.
ये वाली अच्छी है, ये वाली अच्छी है, ये वाली अच्छी है. देखो इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई है, थक तो नहीं जाओगी तुम.
I cannot tell you how humbling an experience it was for me as a stakeholder, because initially when we started this project, I quite honestly had my apprehensions about how I'm going to be able to drive these students to achieve these targets. And like I've said already, जो मेरी नज़र में stretch targets थे, उनको 3 गुना ज़्यादा overachieve करके इन बच्चों ने project को एक success बनाया. They put price tag to it, they give order to it. They're also responsible for order at the hospice once you arrive over there and giving direction to the activities over there. So thank you very much. I couldn't have done this without you. आज वो वक्त आया है कि इस project को देख के बहुत सारे donors, बहुत सारी agencies जो हैं inspire हो रही हैं, and they started contacting me, they're getting in touch with me, and they want to partner with me so that we can translate the same experience to other institutions and take it nationwide. So inshallah उम्मीद ये रखते हैं कि Aspire with Care will have its sequel upon sequel upon sequel in other institutions, and it will have further chapters to come in coming semesters at Bahria University as well. I am absolutely and utterly proud of all of the students that came together and helped people that need our help most. Thank you very much.